Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Nanyang Commercial Bank. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser and desktop. On the search bar, search for ncb.com.hk. And once you land onto an interface like this, just go and tap onto the login option and from it choose the Hong Kong Personal Internet Banking. Now you can see the separate tab that is the login page for NCB online banking account. So before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. And by the completion of the registration process, you'll be provided with a username and set a password that you can log into your account with. So go to username text field and enter your username associated to your account. Then enter your password that you have set while registering for your account. Now in order to verify, enter the text as shown in the image here. In case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can just go and tap onto this option in order to reset your password. And once you are done entering your login credentials, you can just go and tap onto this login option here. And by tapping on it, you'll have successfully logged into your online banking account on Nanyang Commercial Bank. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.